All right, out in Redlands, this dude got a Ross right here. I did check out the Nike outlet out in Redlands, so hopefully you guys see that video soon. Oh wow, got a huge active top section right here. Ooh, is that an Aaron Donald jersey in a medium? Wow, that's actually fire. $40 for Aaron Donald jersey. Yeah, that's what's up. You're a Rams fan, that's what's up. $40. Checking the smalls right here. Who's this? Marshall Jr. I don't know all the NFL players, dude. Actually, I don't know all the NBA players either, man. Dude got a hoodie right here. This one's pretty dope. Normally 85, and Ross got you with a $25 price tag. That is a small Michigan State colorway. Rams Super Bowl shirt. These are mediums. $13. Got a Bills. This is just a team apparel, going for $10. Yeah, these are Nike, not bad. $13 for Nike t-shirts. Stitches brand, New York Yankees, like a track jacket, down to $25. Lakers U brand, kind of a lower budget, $25 for that. It's not bad. Nike super thick hoodie. I think this is a double XL, but oh, it's double XL for men's. And this is a nice thick hoodie right here. This is nice. $30. It says normally $45. This seems a lot thicker. Yeah, it's a lot better quality than $45. Here's a small here as well, going for $30. Is that a Jefferson? Nike Jefferson jersey? For $40? Holy crap, really? Holy crap. That is insane. Normally $130, down to $40. I might know someone for this. Damn, dude, I don't want to spend $40, but it's pretty much free for $40. And a Hopkins. I've definitely not seen a Hopkins jersey. $40. Normally $130. That's insane. Wow. Wow. All right, I definitely don't know these fools. Well, Horn, I know. Marshall Jr. again. Then Aaron, is that Sam Donald? Isn't he the Niners backup quarterback? That is funny. This is a stitched on one, dude. Look at this. Damn, this one's hella nice. Normally $160. Damn, if you're a Carolina fan, dude, that is fire. This is just a pressed on one right here, as well as this one. This is the nicest one right here. It's Sam Donald, right? Yeah, this is a pressed on one as well, but for $40. And it's a current player. And this one's a baller too, damn. I'm tripping. I thought this was Justin Jefferson. Justin Jefferson wears a number 18. So is this from way back when? Is this like a punter from way back when or something? Who the hell is this? I don't know. Nike never really puts years on their jerseys and stuff. So I don't know, man. Dang it. Now I moved up to the size large. This is NFL brand right here. NFL apparel. $17. That's not bad for a vintage. That's gonna scratch away soon, but still not bad for $17. Super thin, but still not bad. Look at this Under Armour fleece jacket right here, down to $30. Normally $130, so $100 off. Also got a hoodie right here. This one is going for $25. And then Nike hoodie right here, super yellow. $25, down from $85. That's not bad. Damn, I meant to be here super quick, but I'm been here a little bit longer. Hawkinson jersey, down to $40, and that's pretty much the double XL. Yeah, man. I'm still trying to figure out who number 2 was on the Vikings. Jefferson. Let's go see what's up with the sneaker section. Have been trying to find Ultra Boost, $25 Ultra Boost. Man, have had no success. I have seen on social media some of you guys still find a $25 Ultra Boost. No luck for me. And you got forums. These are size 11. Do not see a price tag. I think these have been going for 40. Oh, starting to see these again. Oh, hell yeah, size 7. These are $8. Do I know anybody that wears the size 7? I don't know. You know, I might just grab this. Keep it for somebody. It'll be of some use during Christmas time. Watch. Yeah, it's a 7 youth, so it's kind of like an 8 women's. That's what's up. Got Vans right here. Going up in size. I don't know what size it is though, but it is $37. Not too bad. Another pair right here going for 37. It's an 8.5. Got some Adidas right here. These look pretty old school. These are down to $40. Not really familiar with this pair though. More of these. This one at least, hopefully I'll at least have a price tag so I can show you guys. $45 for these. These are size 10. Tim's, got some real Tim's right here. Going for $70. They do have different tiers, and this is probably one of the lowers, but yeah, 70 seems a little high, dude. These Kyries, these are huge sizes. $35 for these right here. These are like a size what? 17, 18. Damn, these are huge, and comes with extra dirt right there. They don't even charge for that. Have these Champion slides going for $8. Where did I see these? I saw these somewhere for like 30. I was like, what are you doing? And then of course, do see Hoka's. These are the Clifton 8s, go for $80. God dang, kids yelling like crazy. What the hell is going on here? Kids yelling in the background. And I do got Lions merch right here. Throw. What is it? What is it? A throw. What is it? What the hell are these called? Throw. I don't know. Some. Yeah, just a throw, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, dude got some of these going for $8. That is hella cheap. You know, these go for a lot more than $8. Yeah, normally $50. $50 down to $8. Are you serious? And then look, if you guys want to support the Cowboys, the struggling Cowboys, $15. Let's go Niners, man. Niners got them so good. I didn't even need to or want to talk smack, but yeah, Niners got them really good. Utility gloves right there. They are dealing with injuries, but I'm just saying. I do always check the women's active tops because sometimes they just put men's stuff in here by accident, like jerseys and stuff. Then of course we always check the women's sneakers as well. Told you I've been looking for them Ultra Boost 10.5, 11. I got fake Yeezys here for $18, like extra fake. But yeah, I'm not seeing any Ultra Boosts or anything like that. Got Prestos right here. Man, pretty dirty. They've been hiking the prices on these Nike, so let's see if this one is a ripoff. Yeah, $53. That's definitely a ripoff. Got Vans right here for $37. Vans in the tiny sizes right here, going for $25. $65 for the penny twos. We've been seeing these a ton. This is a smaller size. Got some Uggs right here, size 6. Like, this is kind of the stuff I've been looking for a friend, but I don't think this color works. Oh my goodness, look at the dust right here. Holy cow. $50 too. Yeah, that's too high. We're putting them back. All right, let me pay my $8 for these. I'll give these to someone probably for Christmas. Size 7 youth. Does come with tags and stuff, so I can give this as a present. All right, let's go. $8, pretty crazy. Should I stop by somewhere else? Probably. Do got a Marshalls in Ontario Mills. Haven't been to Marshalls in a while, I feel like. I don't know. Let's go look around. Let's go. Not the biggest active section right here. This is the active top section. Not really seeing too much. Ooh, what's this? Baseball stuff? If you're an Angels fan, this is pretty fire. It's just MLB merch, but look at this. $12 for a jacket. $12 for a track jacket. That ain't bad at all. It's a XXL though. They got a large right here too. I would assume the same price. And then they have the Dodger shirts. What? The Dodger shirts are going for that cheap now? Oh my goodness. It's a Mitchell and S Dodger shirts going for $12. Holy cow. It's a medium. I have the light blue one. I don't have the Dodger blue one. I have the light blue one. This one's pretty fire. I can't believe those are going for that cheap. Look at this. Brand 47. This is a large though. This is a large. What's this going for? $13 for that one. And then look at this. Look at this. What is this? It's a Nike. It's gonna say kind of like a warm-up shirt. Kind of like a warm-up shirt. This is pretty nice. Normally $80. This is $35. If I was a Dodger fan, I would definitely grab that. Oh, this is a small though. It's small, but it seems loose. Seems very loose. What is this right here? I was about to walk by. What is this? Look at how crazy huge this is. This is a quadruple XL? This is at least 4XL. Oh, it's 4XL. 4XL. Who is this? Gary Payton in a quadruple XL going for $40. That is crazy, dude. What a find. That's your size. Quadruple XL. That's what's up. Now I'm all like paranoid. Did I miss any other jerseys? Maybe if I came earlier, maybe. But yeah, but this is fire, dude. This is fire right here for a small. That's what's up. So that jersey was back there. Look, another quadruple XL right here. Dang, what the hell, man? What's up with the smaller sizes, doggies? Come on now. Majestic Dodgers t-shirts going for $12. Ooh, that's a pretty dope. Fanatics hoodie right here, XL, going for $30. That's what's up. Nike dry fit jacket, XL, going for $30. Dude got this right here in a medium. Project, oh, this is in the medium section, but it's an XL. Project Rock, $30 for these bad boys. That's not bad. Pretty legit. Activewear section, not too bad. Oh, one of those New Balance jackets. We've been seeing these quite a few times. Like, material's solid on these. Material's nice. Last few times I've come here, the sneaker section was very underwhelming. But we still gotta check though. Still gotta check. Got some top 10s going for $40 right here. That's a size 10. We got some Pumas right here. What are these? RS Fast? What these are? Size 9.5. Going for $45. Way too much. Got multiple sizes though. 9.5, 7.5. Bigger size all along the back wall here. Not much to show you guys. At least the apparel section was pretty freaking fire. Wait, I was just about to head out. Look at this. Look at this. This is definitely one of the cheapest we've seen them. 1080 V11s. Look at this. Look at this. $60. 1080 V11s. One of the premier running shoes. New Balance running shoes. That is freaking fire. But that is it. Got a few decent things. You know what I'm saying? Like, had some decent freaking. Oh, got another one right here, size 11. That's it, y'all. That's it. Alright, that's pretty much about it. Did see a bunch of dope stuff. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. And check out membership if you guys want to help a boy out.